How to lock OneDrive with passcode on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to add more security and privacy to your OneDrive with passcode? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your OneDrive and then head over to your profile in the top left. Go to Settings. Now here under Security, you'll find the passcode option. Just tap on it and then toggle on the Require Passcode. And you will need to provide a 4-digit passcode, and that's it. This will be required to access the OneDrive now whenever you try to open your OneDrive. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.